Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Today I'm going to be cooking curry turkey neck on my channel today. That is what I'm having for dinner. Please remember to like the video, and if you are watching this video and you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified when I post a video. I want to say thank you to to everybody who subscribed. We are over 1,000 subscribers. So people wanting to know is keep subscribing, watch the videos, watch the videos, share them to family and friends. Share them to family and friends. Put them on your WhatsApp status, share it on your Facebook, share it on your TikTok, share it on your, if you have a YouTube page, you share it to your YouTube page too. If you can share, you can, I think I can do that. Yes guys, and support a new youth. So yeah guys, yeah, I go clean up with turkey neck. May I use sour orange to wash the turkey neck. Okay, so I kind of cut my turkey neck a little smaller, and I let it off the wood, kind of bit white. Go away. I can't cut up meat in pieces because then chop. So guys, you kind of take off the little white part them. Little white part them off, right? Just kind of bust it through the knife. Sometimes when you cook your turkey neck and you wonder why your turkey necks hard to cook at them white part, alright? You have to try bust them. Come on. Yeah guys. Hey guys, get me fire. So, bag of tea different. Catch me fire. You see if I go on with it, I go catch one more. This is our baby Jessie. Here's Daddy. Don't you want him? Guys, may catch me fire. Oh. Just it now. Hey guys, may I put my pot on fire? Hey guys, may I put little curry in the pot? My curry could look good. I put a little bit. Sure, okay. Hey guys, we are go put in with turkey neck. Curry. You have to make sure so you keep stirring the pot. That's no burn and change color. I mean what you say once you left the pot and it go down too low, the color it cannot change. Smells good already. Pumpkin where we are going to put in our pot. I'm going to peel my pumpkin. I don't like peel pumpkin and take off the skin, but you don't need the skin in it right now. So, I'm going to take off the pumpkin. You have to take me even need such a big piece of pumpkin either. Pumpkin. Nice. It's pumpkin nice. Put in my curry. Curry always nice with pumpkin in it. cubes. And see guys, I cut them up in some cube. Hey guys, so my curry pot look guys. Smells good. Hey guys, water dry out, so we add little water to it. Hey guys, we take time put water in our turkey neck and let the steam cook it. So, put the water, and when it dry down, we have an onion where we are going to cut up, put in it as well. So yeah guys, I'm adding my onions. You can see it. My onions and my pot. And onion. Onion and pepper me adding. And spice up the pot. Also guys, I'm going to be adding coconut milk in the pot as well. Coconut milk. And then I go add my pumpkin. Add my pumpkin. This is it guys. Ooh, what a bubble. Smells really good. Yeah guys, remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed guys. This is the finishing of the curry turkey neck. Thick and nice. Here guys, have my rice on the fire. Rice on the fire. Guys, this is my plate. See how my turkey neck come out. You guys, you cook. I'm going to one. So you guys remember to subscribe. I'm gonna eat my dinner now.